Hello, I am Dakshish. As, as part of my Codivar project, I would like to take you on a space exploration to learn more about the neutron stars. I did my project on Scratch, and the functions which I used are glide, say, text to speech, and repeat. Now I'll show you my presentation.
Hello, I am Bebop. Don't you love the outer space? I love gazing up the sky at night and wonder what's beyond our solar system. There are millions of stars in the Milky Way galaxy, but have you heard of neutron stars? Let's go explore them, shall we? A neutron star is formed when stars 4 to 8 times as massive as the Sun explode in a violent supernova. When this happens, the outer part starts to collapse onto the inner core. This is sent out in the form of shock waves. These waves or pulsations are being studied by the scientists back on Earth with the help of powerful satellite systems. As the star continues to collapse, it compresses the inner layers, heating and expanding the gases inside and triggering a blast. The shock wave carries the matter away from the blast, and the remaining inner core is now the neutron star. There are 3 subtypes of neutron star. Let's visit them, shall we? This is a magnetar. A magnetar is a neutron star with a very strong magnetic field. Its magnetic field can be 3 trillion times stronger than Earth. So far 30 different magnetars have been discovered. Example, soft gamma repeater. Almost 3,000 of the known neutron stars are pulsars. These emit twin beams of radiation beams from their magnetic poles. However, these poles may not be aligned with their axis of rho. Some of the pulsars known to us are spider pulsar, binary pulsars. Around 6 known neutron stars have been identified as being magnetar plus pulsar in nature. Did you know? If the neutron star captures enough matter, or 2 neutron stars collide, their combined mass creates enough gravity to cause a black hole. So wasn't it interesting to learn about the neutron star? Bye.
I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Thank you and bye.